Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syazzwan Ariff bin Abdul Samad, and I'm going to present to you about our programming project. Our project name is a football match ticket, and my team member is consists of 3 people, which is Nik Muhammad Hafiq bin Nik Zulkifli, Zuliana binti Zakri, and myself. In this program, we are making the system for football match tickets booking. This is our main class. This line hashtag include connection.h is our coding for get command. This is our first interface. This is our main menu. Firstly, in the main menu, we will print the menu of the system which is book the ticket, process the booking, view all the ticket, and exit. User will choose the choice from the menu that we provided by keying in the integer number 1 until 4. In choice 1, the program requires the user to key in the number of match tickets by integer number 1 until 4. Each integer has its own match. The data that keyed in by user will insert into queue by using function called enqueue. After that, the data will go to array 1 by using the function called queue. In choice 2, the data in array 1 will be added into new array which is array 2. And then the data will be arranged in ascending order by using bubble sort. Next, in choice 3, the data in array 2 will be printed for users to see what the match tickets they are booking. And for the last one, which is choice 4, the program will be terminated. Next, we will go to our array header. In project class, we combine the structure and function prototype that used in the main function. In class declaration, we have private and public access specifier. This is our private access specifier. The private access specifier used to mark the data and function can only be accessed by the member of the class. Meanwhile, the public access specifier used to mark the data and function that can be accessed by the member of class and other classes. In private access specifier, we have TQ array, which is array used for function and queue. Integer count is number of element. Integer front is used for front queue. Integer rear is for rear queue, while integer counter 1 is number of match ticket booking for print part. While in public, queue is a constructor. The array 2 with the bracket 5 is for array for function print data. The queue front is to identify the front element in queue. The queue rear is to identify the rear element in queue. Integer array 1, which bracket 5 used to insert data to enqueue, while max data is equal to 5. Next, void bubble sort is for arrange data in ascending order. Void enqueue is to insert the data in queue, while bool empty is to check whether the queue is empty or not. Bool full is to check whether the queue is full or not. Void add item interval is for add the data in array 1 into array 2. And the last one is void print item is to print data in array 2. This is our constructor. As a constructor, to make sure before the data is in queue, the front and rear will be at -1, while count and counter will be equal to 0. This is a template for writing the data at the front of queue. This template is for writing the data at the rear of queue. And this template is to process part to arrange the data in array 2 in ascending order. In this template, this for is used to loop to access each array element, while this one is to loop to compare two data. When compare the two data, swapping will occur if the data are not in ascending order. This is our enqueue template. It will insert the data that came in by user into queue but before enqueue, make sure that the queue is not full. This one is to check and to test if the queue is not empty, and this one is to test if not full. User can only book 5 mesh tickets, otherwise the message will pop up. This is our template to check whether the queue is empty or not. And this template is to check whether the queue is full or not. This template is to move the data in array 1 into array 2. It will make sure the data they enter is not more than 5. This is our template for putting the data in array 2 that already in ascending order. Now, I'm gonna debug and run this program. As you can see, this is our first interface that have our team member's name. We just press any key to continue, and it will go to our main menu. So in our main menu, we have 4 choices that we can choose. Either book a ticket, process the ticket, view a ticket, or exit. So I want to book a ticket, so I enter 1. Then it will show the tickets. So I will choose Messi ticket first. So I have to enter 3. Then it will go back to our main menu, so we can do another choice. So I want to book another ticket. So I enter choice number 1 again. But now I will choose another mesh ticket. So I choose mesh D ticket. So I enter number 4. Now we already have 2 tickets. Now we want to process the ticket. We have to choose the number 2. So it will pop up the message that our ticket has been processed. Now our ticket has been processed. Now we want to check the ticket. So we choose number 3 to view all the tickets. So it will show the tickets in ascending order. As you can see. Now I want to exit. So we enter number 4 and it will exit. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Goodbye.